Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on something that means a lot to me, and if it wasn't for you guys and all the support that you guys give me, I don't think I would have gotten this. You know, I do stand here or sit here for 2-3 hours straight and record and put my makeup on, and you know, it takes a lot of time, but without your support I don't think I would have gotten this, and this means a lot to me. And I got goodies. This is like my second PR package. The first one I got was a nail kit from Soap Stories, but this is from Lique Lips, and oh my god, this is just insane. They sent me a lot of things too, as you can tell. They sent me 4 lippies, a lip mask, and 2 glitter powders. I don't know, I'm gonna see what it is or how it looks, so we're gonna be using one of these. And yeah, I'm super excited to be trying these out for the first time. They're a growing company and they're actually at Kohl's stores, so that's exciting. After you see this video, if you like what you see, then you can go and purchase them at Kohl's or purchase them on their website. So I'll link everything down below. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be trying on probably 2 of the lipsticks and the lip mask and 1 of the glitter powders. So if you want to see this, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to, I think, start with called Effects, and it says it's elegant and wearable effects are triple milled powders and glitters that add glitz and glamour to your look. Use them on cheeks and lids to enhance and emphasize skin tones and create looks that are simply alluring. So this is how it looks. The packaging is so cute. It's nice and matte looking. Charmed is a nice pink holographic one, and I guess you could use this as highlighters and to pop the eyeshadows, which is cute. This is the one that I'm going to use. This is Angel, and it's a nice iridescent white holographic powder. And oh, that went everywhere. So I'm just going to be applying this in the beginning of the eye. I applied a little bit of iridescent because I already knew what I was going to do, because when I saw this, I fell in love with it. Like, this is the first thing I saw that caught my eye. It's a glitter, you know? So I think I'm only going to be applying this. I was going to apply it as a highlight, but I think that's too much. So I'm going to be applying the glitter on the beginning of the eye. So I'm going to actually take my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to apply that on my brush and apply this on the lid before, so that it can help make the eyelid tacky so that the glitter can stick. So I'm going to be taking my pretty baby and applying her on the lid. It's so pretty. Just applied a little bit and it stuck so nice and it looks so pretty. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my god. Do you see that? Oh my god, and I just applied it once. Beautiful. I feel like a mermaid. I feel like a mermaid. I'm gonna apply some on the inner corner as well. Goes a long way with this. This is so cute. Oh my god, I'm in love. Okay, so that's how it looks applied on the lid, and it's amazing. I'm already in love. I love the blues and greens and pink tones that it has. I actually needed a glitter powder like this. I am so in love. I really like it. So I give this a thumbs up. Now that I tried on what I wanted to try on, that's it. No, I'm kidding. Now we're gonna go with the lip mask. It says lip hydration to another level with this leave-on conditioning lip mask that will eliminate the appearance of dry skin and seal the lips. Natural moisturizing oils, a unique lanolin Enriched formula leaves your pout feeling protected and deeply moisturized. Used as an overnight treatment to wake up to soft, kissable lips. Okay, so that's cool. You can leave it overnight as well. That sounds amazing. I know I'll be having some crusty lips, so that's nice. So you just leave it on. I thought you would have to remove it. So this, you just apply it and you leave it on and you throw on your lipstick. So I got the color Wonderful, and it's a nice like nude peachy. And ooh, that smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like candy. Like vanilla candy. I don't know. It smells so good. So I'm just literally taking a little tiny bit. And I'm gonna apply that on the lips. Ooh, that feels so soft. It has kind of like a tint to it. Ooh, it's nice and oily. So that's where the dehydration comes in from the oil. And it's a pretty color. I think you could even wear this as a lipstick, you know, you could just wear this alone. I like it. It's not sticky, because when I wiped it, I'm not gonna lie, I'm like, well, this is thick, and I thought I took a lot of product, but it applied nicely, so that's good. So yeah, this is the lip mask on the lips. I zoomed in the camera just a little tiny bit. You're probably not gonna tell the difference, but I just want to do it so that you guys could see the lip product more. Okay, so they sent me this color, which is called Enchanted, and it's a nice nude. They also sent me a red, like dark red, it's called Lover. And then they also sent me a darker nude, which is called Flawless. Also sent me a Scandal, which is a metallic lippy, and it's so pretty. Like, ugh, look at that. So, so pretty. I'm going to swatch it. Ooh, that's pretty. Then I'm gonna swatch Flawless. So bad at swatching, so don't mind. And then Lover. These are cream lipsticks, so they're not matte lipsticks. The color payoff, you won't notice it as much as the matte lipsticks, but they're so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to try on Flawless. It smells so good. And I'm loving this color. This is not a color I would normally wear, but it's still pretty. I like it. So this is how it looks on the lips. It's nice and creamy, as it says it is. And yeah, it doesn't feel too heavy on the lips. I actually like the way it looks with my look too. Now let's go to the other lip. Okay, so next I'm going in with Lover, and she's so pretty. So these lipsticks are actually made the way they're diamond shaped. It helps with applying lipstick, which is actually true, because I have like this pointy ass thing and I could just go like that and that's it. So helpful. So helpful. I gotta give that a thumbs up, because I be struggling with my lip shape. I was kind of iffy because I don't really like these red tones like this. This is on the darker side of reds. I like that bright, like almost orangey red. So I'm actually liking this color. It's really pretty, and as well as the other one, it's creamy. So I'm just gonna be applying now her, and her name is Scandal, and she's a metallic lip paint. And these things smell so good. Oh my god, I just want to eat them. Okay, so this is like a copper color. I really like this color. It's super creamy as well. This I would not wear every day, but it's pretty. It's really, really pretty. Like, it's super pigmented. Honestly, I just swiped it on once and you saw how it glided on nicely. Super pigmented. And metallic lippies are in, and especially now for the summer, nice golds and rose golds and coppers are going to be in. So yeah, this is a must-have. I really like it. And I'm going to be trying on Enchanted, and this is the one I'm going to be leaving on, and she's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a nude, almost grayish tone to it. And this goes so pretty with my little look I got going on. So she's staying on. Okay, so I'm gonna top that off actually with a lip gloss. Oh, I'm feeling my makeup a lot. I feel like a mermaid, like I'm about to go meet King Titan. Is that his name? I don't even know. Tristan? What is his name? I don't even know. Girl, I'm just talking crap. But yeah, I'm so thankful for you guys again. Thank you so much for your support. If it wasn't for you guys, none of this free stuff would happen. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little review. I'm still getting used to doing review videos because I don't really do them like that. So yeah, let me know if you like them. Comment down below. Please like and subscribe and share my video, and I'll see you next time.